Hello everyone, in this video I will be enumerating the various cardiac biomarkers. This cardiac biomarker can be an important question for MBBS students and also for MD biochemistry students. Also it is important from Viva point of view. So the first category of cardiac biomarkers are those which can be used in the diagnosis of myocardial damage or the acute coronary syndrome. So what happens in acute coronary syndrome? There is ischemia to the heart muscles which causes damage to the myocytes or myocardium of that particular part of the heart muscles, and there will be release of those some proteins, and the level of those proteins increases in blood, which can be detected through blood test to find out their level and to detect the presence of any myocardial injury. So there is a list of 7 markers here. Out of this, some were used previously, some are currently in use, and some are in research state only. So but for exam point of view, we should remember all of this. So first one is troponin T and troponin I. These are the most important cardiac biomarker to detect the presence of ischemia in present date. And second one is myoglobin, it is obsolete. Then comes the carbonic anhydrase 3, glycogen phosphorylase, heart fatty acid binding protein, myosin, ischemia modified albumin. Then second category of cardiac biomarkers are the markers of coronary risk, or the markers which can predict a future risk of any uneventful cardiac injury. So in that category there will be, first is the lipid profile. As we know, high cholesterol is an important predictor for any further or future cardiac risk. Then comes the C-reactive protein and homocysteine. Homocysteine, it is a well established marker to detect the future cardiac event risk. Okay, next comes the marker of heart failure. Here comes the biomarker, that is cardiac natriuretic peptide. Then another are the newer cardiac biomarkers. These are not used routinely in present date, but are in research phase only. So for Viva point of view, it is very important for MD biochemistry students mostly. So the names of these biomarkers are serum amyloid protein A, SCD40 ligand, cytokines, myeloperoxidase, lipoprotein associated phospholipase A2, PAPPA or pregnancy associated plasma protein A. This is one of the marker of double marker which is used in pregnancy test. Another one of the double marker is HCG. Now next one is oxidized LDL, matrix metalloproteinase, monocyte contractile protein 1, isoprostanes, free fatty acid, norine, choline. So in other videos I will be discussing in detail few of the important cardiac biomarkers which are extensively used nowadays. Thank you.